Well, hi folks, just thought I'd try a different angle. Just going to make a few little bowls now. See what it looks like from, it's not exactly above, but it's sort of to the side and slightly above. So see what it looks like. Might be able to see what I'm doing a bit more, like opening up and my finger positions. That's one of those sort of shaped ones on a foot. Don't really know what to talk about, to be honest. People like to know what sort of weight the clay is. These are about 12 ounces. So they're quite a small piece of clay. If I had another camera and the intelligence to edit it, I could probably do like a split screen thing where it's showing you different angles of the same pot, but I'm not too up on my video editing and I've only got one camera, so it's sort of out of the question really. I'll just show you what the bat system is I use, the bats I use, because people are interested to know how they fit on my wheel. A bit of room. So if you look at my wheel, there's a little pin in the middle there. That's nothing there, just holes, and another pin there. So there's 2 pins, and then on the bat itself there's a hole there corresponding to it, and a hole in the middle. And all it's a matter of, you just get a little bit of suction with the water, and you line them up and plonk the 2 holes over the 2 pins, and that stops it moving that way. There's nothing stopping it lifting up, but a little bit of suction sort of keeps it on the wheel. You can put a lot of clay slop under the bat if you want to pull hard up to stop it sort of lifting off the wheel head, but for small things like this, like I say, they never slide off at all. So, and the material I use, it's some kind of high pressure laminate sheet I got, which is waterproof and rigid and quite thin, only about 3mm. We've had these bats for like 20 odd years now, and they're in as good condition now as they were when we made them. So this one's a bit wonky, but you'll never know when it's finished. So you can see they're dead quick to make these, so I'll do another couple and then it's dinner time. I'll just do one more and then that should be about it. Oops. Let's finish off with a rough one. Got caught on my finger and gripped. See if we can sort it out. there we go, a few little dead simple small serving bowls, overhead view. I hope you saw a bit of something different on this one.